I think this can be the most easiest strategy for binary options. If you don't have any experience at all about how to trade, how to open trades inside the pocket option or Quotex or the broker that you prefer. For me, and the most easier strategy for binary options is support and resistance. And it's because if you follow these simple steps, and I'm gonna explain in a few minutes, I guarantee you're gonna have a different results that you're having right now. You're gonna start having profits. You're gonna start earning money, a few bucks in your pocket, and you can start a new way to earn money with binary options. So we are gonna use support and resistance trading strategy for this broker pocket option, and we are gonna trade for two different time frames for 5 minutes and 15 minutes candlestick time frame. So let's go to explain the easier strategy for binary options. I think you're gonna catch it quickly, and we are gonna try to identify our support and resistance and how we are gonna work. We can choose like a normal support and resistance, like a support and resistance, but we can use to another type of support resistance. We can select channels, trending channels, and we can use trend lines to recognize these ones. We are going to use these trend lines for this one. 15-minute chart, we select our support and resistance, and we can leave it right here. And the moment we touch this trend line, we are going to buy it. Okay, but not just waiting for to touch it and go. No, if we saw this candlestick or this candlestick touch this trend line and reject it, we are gonna trade for 5 minutes or the middle of the 15 minutes, 7 minutes. Okay, so we trade for 7 minutes only if you have a candlestick like this one here. It's a red candlestick, right? But we have liquid zones here, we have a rejection here. So if we have another one here, we are going to trade for 7 minutes. And we are going to use the same strategy for 5 minutes. So when this one, we are going to trade for 5 minutes. So it's possible to generate profit with this one. It's totally possible. But with this one, we can use support resistance, and we can use into the trading channel. So here we have two scenarios. We have this support and resistance like this one here. Look at this. We have a rejection here, here, and here. And maybe if cross, we trade for a buy direction, just this one here. Only if cross, if we trade for 5 minutes. It's very simple, right? Don't require too much experience. But if you want to use it more simple like this one, we are going to trade only support and resistance, not trending channels, just support and resistance. Let's go to find a good scenario to show you this strategy. Here it happened before, but we have support and resistance here. Support and resistance, we trade for 5 minutes on this one here. And we are gonna trade again for 5 minutes with $50. I don't know, it's this $50. And we trade for 5 minutes. This was trade for 5 minutes, and let's go to see how end this. Very simple. The key here is if you have support and resistance with this type of candlesticks, with liquid candlesticks, when we have a stronger rejection on this point, that is a good moment to trade. Let's go to wait to see how end this one and trying to find another good scenario, another good example for this strategy. This was really good, but we'll saw that too late. Let's go to find another example. This is a good scenario. We have this zigzag reaction pattern. So we are waiting for to trade here for a call, or if it cross it with stronger red candlestick, we sell in this position. This is breakouts ORB. So we trade this one for, in this case, a sell position, right? Like this one here. Let's go to this is the favorite and waiting for. Look at this one. We trade here for sell. This one goes up. This one goes up. So we have the first one, the first two out of the money. So let's go to end and see how end this does. Another trade we are taking right now with this strategy, we have support and resistance here is a good level. This is a huge rejection we have in this candlestick, the doji candlestick. So we have a good signal to trade for up direction following this strategy. Remember, this strategy is for binary options, trading only for 5 minutes. Look in this candlestick on 5 minutes too. So we trade for 5 minutes. We have a good rejections here. This one was lost. We lost this trade. This one's here. And let's go to see how ending this. I decide risk more with this trade because I have lost in the first one. So let's go to see how ending this, and maybe we can have a good results right now. Let's go to find another good scenario to generate profits with this strategy. Look at this. This one was a beauty one. Here was a good buy direction. This one here. Here, look at this. So we close this one on profits. Really good. Let's go to see how it moves. This one here. Oh, drops up. But let's go to see how it moves right now. Maybe it start going up. Another beautiful support resistance strategy. And this one only trade for 3 minutes. Only a few seconds. It's gonna close this trade, and we have another one in the money. So I made a mistake with the first two trades that I took. It was a huge mistake, bad decision for me. I opened a trade with no reason at all, just click it by mistake. But this one looks good. So in the money, right? 3 minutes. I think 3 minutes is better. Look at this, 3 minutes, candlesticks for 5 minutes, right? Simple. Look at this. For more time, maybe that one can be out of money. So let's go to find another one, or let's go to see how ended this day. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 14 in the money. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 2 and 1. Just to say, a beautiful strategy for binary options. Anyone can use it. Look at this beauty. Was amazing. Anyone can use it. So the link is gonna be below of this video. If you want to trade with binary options and like it trade with using auto trading, I have a few maybe you can use for your trading sessions with binary options. So it's totally free. All you have to do is open your account with Pocket Option using the link below in this video, and open your account with Pocket Option.